Soundtown, ticker symbol SOUN, one of our favorite stocks. You remember recently how Nvidia dropped this. Well, I've got some more news for you today you want to pay close attention to. SoundHound investors, pay attention. Tap the like button to share this out so more people know what's going on. If you'd like to see more of my content, and consider subscribing. We're just moments away now from 75,000 subscribers. It's a big milestone on our channel. It's moments away. We're very, very excited about that. As I talk to you as well, I just want to keep you updated. Virgin Galactic is preparing for a huge short squeeze. I've been on the phone today to the biggest retail investors in the world, and they're buying. And they were buying the moment I phoned them up. I phoned them about an hour ago. You can actually see that on my phone. This was the moment here. See the bottom of that dip there? See that bottom of that dip just there? Let me just focus that. See that bottom there? That's the moment I got on the phone and phoned some of the biggest retail investors, and that was the moment they bought. I'll give you some more information about that coming up in a few moments' time, all right? I'll link this video to that. But SoundTown, you need to know about this. I've just got this news in just about an hour ago. SoundHound AI faces lawsuit over alleged potentially damaging statements. It's a very, very important statement. SoundHound AI faces a class action lawsuit over the alleged false, misleading, and potentially damaging statements regarding the company's business opportunities. This is not a good day for SoundHound. Law firm Wolf Haldenstein, Adler, Freeman, and Herz LLP announced yesterday a lawsuit on behalf of people and entities who purchased or otherwise acquired SoundTown securities between May 10th and March the 3rd. The alleged statements include unvalidated claims about SoundTown's AI status, capabilities, and prospects. On March the 4th, the company had disclosed a delay in the filing of its 10K annual report for the fiscal year ended 31st, 2024. The company said it has identified material weakness in its internal control over financial reporting. On March the 11th, SoundTown filed its 10K, allegedly disclosing for the first time that the lack of effective controls were impairing its ability to account for corporate acquisitions. This is not a good day for SoundTown. I just wanted to bring that attention to you moments before Liberation Day. Liberation Day is in the morning. We're going to cover it live, but it's a big day for SoundTown. Let me give you some more analysis on this. In fact, I can prepare this. I've got a little bit of software here, which I can do some valuations for you. Let me do that live. Tap the like button if you like this, and consider subscribing as well, as we're about to hit a 75,000 subscriber milestone. We've got rid of all our trolls, which were keeping us down, and now we're exploding through the 75,000, which is amazing. Just keep going, folks. Do the right thing, and you'll always win. Never let people bring you down. They're just sad individuals. It's why we always push forward on everything we do. SoundTown, look at this. Some valuations here, important ones. SoundTown valuation presents an expensive valuation compared to its peers. The price to book ratio is 18.32, significantly higher than the sector at 3.11, indicating the stock might be overpriced. Okay, bear that in mind. Growth. Sound demonstrates exceptional growth metrics. Revenue growth year on year. It's 85%, vastly exceeding the sector's 5%. That's why it's overbought, because of the explosion in growth. I just want to keep everyone up to date with this. I got on the phone this morning about an hour ago, and the biggest investors in the retail space have been buying Virgin Galactic at that point there. I just wanted to let everyone to know, keep you updated. I'll give you a link to this in a minute. Profitability. The profitability picture for SOUN is concerning, with EBITDA margin of negative 113%, far below the sector median of 11%. This indicates a challenges in converting revenue into profit. This is why Jensen Huang dropped it as an investment. Momentum. So SoundHound stock momentum is impressive, with a one-year price performance of 44%, markedly above the 9%, -9. Just because people are buying the stock doesn't mean it's good. They're buying the future growth, but we need the growth to continue. Revisions, though. Recent revisions for SoundTown show mixed signals, with one upward and downward EPS revision, alongside 5 upward and 1 downward revenue revision, suggesting a cautious outlook for analysis. So just keep that all in mind. It's not a good story making it tonight onto the news wires for SoundTown, but I wanted to keep you updated. This is one of our favorite stocks. We can see doing really, really well if it can just get through this negative period. So there's SoundHound. Now, I did promise you all this information. As I watch, it's still going up. Virgin Galactic is really at the edge of a short squeeze with 33% short interest, and the biggest retail investors buying. I was on the phone earlier and telling them about what was going on, and they said, we're buying. I'm just telling you that. Okay, click above my head for all the links. I'll put several links, and down below in the description and pinned in the comments, I will give you a lot more videos. I'm going to give you the Lucid, the Tesla, the Prepare for the Earnings, and Virgin Galactic and Liberation Day. All of these will be below in the description and in the comments, and I'll put as many over here, and down here as possible. Everything you need to see before Liberation Day tomorrow. I'm going to be live for it. I'm working all through the night. I'm probably going to be up all night on this one. This is just a 40-year opportunity. Sleep. We can sleep tomorrow. We can sleep after it. Now we focus on what's important, delivering the news to you for the most important trading day in 40 years. All right, that's it from me. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.